Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach the exercise 1.4 for state theory in class 11. So let's see the solutions for each questions one by one. So the first question is find the union of each of the following pair of the sets. Here sets are given. So I am starting with first one. So x is equal to 1, 3, 5. Union means we know all the elements of x and y, means whatever sets will be provided, all the elements we need to take. So y equal to 1, 2, 3. So here x union y, that means here 3 and 1 are the common elements. So it will come once only. So 1, 3, 5 and 2. Okay, clear? Now going to the second question. It is like A equals to A, E, I, O, U and B equals to A, B, C. Okay. So A union B, that is equal to, again same thing, A, E, I, O, U, comma, B, C. Okay. Now moving to the third one. Third question. See here. Third question here is telling A equal to x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number and multiple of 3. So natural number multiple of 3. So it will be 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And B is equal to x is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So A union B, these will be coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also will be there with 6, 9, 12 and so on. Clear? This one. See the fourth one. It is saying here is x A equal to x such that x is a natural number 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. So it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And B is equal to x is belonging in between open interval 6, 10. So it will be 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So next is A union B. A union B, this is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Till here? I hope till here it's clear for everyone. Next we'll see the last question of this question number 1. Okay. So in the last question, what is telling? A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to phi. So I am writing this side. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to phi. Phi is the empty set, right? So if we can make union, A union B, that is equal to 1, 2, 3 union phi, that is the empty set. So there is no element. So it will become 1, 2, 3 only. Clear? So I hope it is clear for everyone. Now I am moving to second question. In the second question, it is telling that let A equal to set of A comma B and B is ABC. So A is a subset of B or not? You need to check. So see, here we know the definition of subset. Okay, A is the subset of B if all elements of A in B. So here A equals to A comma B and B equal to ABC. So the elements of A already in B, right? So A is a subset of B. True? Clear? Now union, A union B. So A union B is set of A comma B, union of set of A B C. So this is equal to set of A B C. Clear? Okay. So I hope it is clear, because it's also a very simple question. Now we'll move to the third question. So first see what is telling the third one. Third one is telling here that A is a subset of A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B and A union B. So we have seen in previous example only. See, so here what was there? A is a subset of B and A union B equals to, we have got A set of ABC, that is equal to B only. Same thing we will write here also, as A is a subset of B, so A union B is equals to B. Clear? So if we'll see through our diagram, see here, this is our universal set. Now here this is B and this one is A. So this is the smaller set. A is a subset of B, so A is the smaller than B. So the union will be this whole thing. This whole thing will become the A union B. So this is equal to B only. So from Venn diagram also we can say that these two. Okay, clear? Now we'll move to the fourth question. See what is telling here. Here four sets are given. You need to find couple of unions. So see, A union B, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 in A sets. Here also 3, 4 are there. So it will all repeating. So that means it will come once only, and then 5, 6. Okay. Now the second one, A union C. A union C is telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all elements will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now the third one, B union C. This is basically B union C. Just a minute, I will write here B union C first. So B union C is equal to, see here 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Here 5, 6 also there. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now the fourth one, B union D. Now with B and D, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fifth one is A union B union C. So we already have calculated here A union B. Then A union B was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With this we will add the set C, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now see, I am writing here so that we can read the question properly. Now the sixth one, A union B union D. So this is equal to A union B already found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and D is 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? So 7. See here we have found B union C. We need to find here B union C union D. Okay. So here B union C, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and D also 7, 8 is there, so it won't repeat. It will be only 9, 10. Clear? So here 9, 10. Okay. So fourth one is also complete. If anyone is having any questions, you can put in the comment sections. I will check from the comment. So here is the fifth one. Fifth one was saying that you need to find the union of, find the intersection of each pair of sets in of question 1 above. The question 1 I have copied from the question 1 only here also. So see, we need to find the intersection. Intersection means x intersection y, that means common elements only. Okay, so here x intersection y, what are the common elements? 1, 3, 1 and 3. So 1 comma 3. Okay, now for 2, a equals to a, e, I, o, u and b is equal to a, b, c. Okay, so a intersection b, that is equals to only a. Now the third one, x is a natural number and multiple of 3. So a is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And here b is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are the common elements? Only 3. A intersection b is equal to. Okay. So we'll see the fourth one. Fourth one, it's saying a is equals to x such that x is a natural number and 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. Clear? So a will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because here equality sign is not there in 1. So b equals to 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now a intersection b. There is no intersection, no elements which are common. See, so no common elements. That means it's the empty set. Clear? Now the fifth one, that is a equal to 1, 2, 3 and b equal to 3. So fifth one is a equals to 1, 2, 3 and b equals to 3. Okay. So a intersection b. So a intersection b means here elements are there and here no elements. So it will be the empty set only. Clear? I hope it's clear to everyone. Now we'll move to the sixth question. Okay. So coming to sixth question. In sixth question, it is saying that you need to find again this intersection union wala thing. Okay. So we'll do first is A intersection B. See, need to find the common elements only. 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 common. So 7, 9 and 11. Now the second one, that is B intersection C. So here see the common elements 11 and 13. So 11 comma 13. Okay. Now the third one, A intersection C intersection D. तो पहले हम first of all we'll check the A intersection C. A intersection C means only 11 and then intersection of D. Okay. So in D, what are the elements are there? 15 and 17. So this is free. There is no elements common. Now the fourth one, that is A intersection C. So A intersection C we already found here. A intersection C is equal to 11. Now the fifth one, B intersection D. In between B and D, here there is no common element. See, here B equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. Here D equal to 15, 17. So, no common elements or you can write free. Now the sixth one, here A intersection B union C. So, A intersection B union C. Now, A is what? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection. So, we will find first B union C. B union C is equal to C 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. So, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Clear? Here I am rubbing this actually. because this thing is not required. For understanding purpose only I have written here. See, so here what are the common elements? 7, 9, 11 in between these two. So set of 7, 9, 11. Clear? Now the seventh one, A intersection D. So in between A and D, here A and D, again no common elements. Feed next eighth one, A intersection B union D. So B union D, that is 15, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. So it will be 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 intersection B union D, that is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Okay. So intersection is only 11 because only 11 is common term in between these two. Clear? Now we'll move to ninth one. So we'll find first A intersection B, already found, that is 7, 9, 11. B union C also we have calculated here, that is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Then A intersection B union C, that is equal to 7, 9, 11. Okay. Clear? Now the 10th one I am writing here. 10th one is A intersection D intersection B union C. Okay. So A intersection D. This is C. Here A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. D is 15, 17. So A intersection D is equal to Phi. B union C, that is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay. Then A intersection D intersection B union C. So Phi intersection 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So that will be Phi only because there is no common element. Clear? So I think it's clear to everyone because in these questions there are many subparts. Okay, so we'll move to 7th question. So go through this once again. We need to find each and every steps separately and then we need to check the union and intersection. Now here what is telling? X is a natural number, B is X is an even natural number, C is X is an odd natural number and D is X is prime number. So we will write the sets A, B, C, D first. So A will be X is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. B is even natural number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. C is odd natural numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Now the D is prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Clear? Now the first question, A intersection B. So here all natural numbers are there and B only the even natural numbers. So intersections will be the even terms only. So this is equal to B. Clear? Because B is the subset of A. So A intersection B equals to B. Now the second one, A intersection C. So here also same thing. In C is a subset of A. So A intersection C will become, that is C only. As only the odd numbers will be the common. As here only odd number is there. That means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So this is equal to C. Now the third one, that is A intersection D. So in between A and D, only the prime numbers. So only prime numbers will come out, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So this is also equate with D. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is saying B intersection C. See, here only the even numbers and here odd numbers. So is there anything common in between odd and even? There is no common. So Phi. Now the fifth one, B and D. In between B and D. So only 2 is the even prime number. In D sets all prime numbers are there, right? So 2 also there, and B set is only the even number sets. So only 2 is the even prime number. So that is B intersection D equals to 2, and 6, that is C intersection D. So in between C and D, what are the common terms? So that will be only the prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 11 and those things. Clear? So here this means we can write x, this is the odd prime numbers, only 2 is not there, except 2 all prime numbers will be there, as this is the set of all odd numbers. Okay, clear? Now we'll move to question number 8. Here what is saying, you need to find the following pair of sets, which are the following pair of sets are disjoint. Okay, so what is the definition of disjoint first? Two sets are disjoint if they have no common elements. They have no common elements. That means A intersection B, A and B two are disjoint if A intersection B equal to Phi. So check for first one, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and B equals to x is natural number, 4 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 6. So 4 and 6 both are included here. Then A intersection B is equal to 4. Okay, not equal to Phi. So this means not disjoint. Clear? Now the second one, see, first one is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and second one is C, D, E, F. So A intersection B here, that is common element is there, that is E. So again not equal to Phi, that means not disjoint. Clear? Now we'll move to the third one. Third one is saying x is an even integer and second set is odd integers. So even integers, that means what will be? Plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6 and so on. And B set is plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5 and so on. So A intersection B, there is no common element Phi. So disjoint. Okay. So it is clear to everyone. Now we'll move to the 9th question. Yeah, here also you need to find so many things. So I'm changing my ink color as well. Here, see. So A equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, this and this. So A minus B. A minus B is basically A minus of A intersection B. Okay. Clear? So we need to find the A intersection B first. So A intersection B, that is equal to, see here, only I think 12. Yeah, only the 12 is there. Now A minus B, so that is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus 12. Okay, so that is 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Okay, clear? So similarly here also we will find A minus C, that means A minus of A intersection C. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 5, 15, 18, 21 minus A intersection C. Here A intersection C, we need to find first. What is that A intersection C? What are the common elements? 6 is there, 12 is there, bus, that's it, 6 and 12. Okay, so 6 comma 12. So from here we'll delete the 6 and 12 and the remaining terms will be there 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Okay. Similarly we can find for third one as well. For third one, A minus D. That is from A we need to subtract. That is 3, 6, A set is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21 minus A intersection D. So here see A intersection D, that is only 15, that is the common term. So here 15. Now see, we'll delete the 15th, then remaining terms will be there, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 21. Clear? Now the fourth one, we'll move to fourth one. Yeah. So I am moving this side basically. Okay, I am rubbing this one. This will be, I think, easy for you guys, as if I'll move, we cannot see the question. Okay. So here, now we have seen the 3 questions only. There are many subparts, 12 subparts are there. So fourth one, B minus A. Same thing, formula, that is B minus B intersection A. That means A intersection B only basically. So A intersection is B, we have already seen. That was 12 only. Clear? In between A and B, common element is 12. So 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20, we will delete 12. That means 4, 8, 16, 20. Okay. Now the fifth one, C minus A. That is C minus of C intersection A. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. A intersection C we already have found. A and C intersection is what? 12 and 6. So we'll delete this 12 and 6. That means 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. Now the sixth one, that is D minus A. So D minus of D intersection A. That is 5, 10, 15, 20. And A intersection D, that was only 15. So this is 5, 10 and 20. This one is 10. So seventh one, B minus C. B minus of B intersection C. So here B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And B intersection C, that is, see, here 16 is there, 8 is there, 4 is there, okay, 12 also. So 4, 8, 12, 16. So this is only 20. Clear? Now the eighth one. That is B minus of D. So B is what? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Minus B intersection D. So there is only 20. Then it will be 4, 8, 12 and 16. Clear? Now 4 more suppers, that is the ninth. So see what is saying 9, C minus B. Then what is the C set? We'll write first. C set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, first I am writing this C minus B. So C minus B. We know this is the C set, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 minus C intersection B. That means basically B intersection C. See what will be the B intersection C? We just found B intersection C, that is 4, 8, 12, 16. So we'll write here 4, 8, 12, 16. That is 4, 8, 12, 16. Clear? So we'll delete 4, 8, 12, 16 from this set. It will be 2, 6, 10 and 14. Okay. Now the 10th question. 10th question is saying D minus B. So D is 5, 10, 15, 20. So D minus B 5, 10, 15, 20 minus D intersection B. Okay. So we'll find the B intersection D first. D intersection B and B intersection D both are same. So here only intersection point in between these two is 20. This is 20. Okay. So what it will be? 5, 10 and 15. Clear? Now two more supports. Two more supports are there. So I am again erasing the fourth and fifth question. Yeah. So now here that is 11 and 12. Now the 11th question, it's saying C minus D. So C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. Minus C intersection D. C intersection D, that is only the 10. Okay. So we'll delete 10. That means it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. Clear? Now the 12th one D minus C. Okay. So D is 5, 10, 15, 20 minus D intersection C, that means 10. So it will delete. So remaining terms is 15, 5, 15 and 20. Okay. Clear? Now we'll move to next question. Question number 10. Here what is saying, same thing, we'll just calculate the formula. If you remember, it will be very easy to calculate. X minus y, that means x minus of x intersection y. So x intersection y, that is only BD. Now ABCD minus set of B comma D. So this is A comma C. Y minus x, this will be again F B D, sorry, G D minus x intersection y, that is B comma D. So again it will be F comma G. Now see the third one, x intersection y. Already found, this is x intersection y is equal to B comma D. Okay, clear? I hope it's clear to everyone. Now we'll move to the question number 11. Yeah. Here is the question number 11. See what is saying here. R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of all rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? So here real numbers. Here two parts. One is rational. Another one is irrational. Okay. Now R minus Q. R minus Q. This is equal to irrational, as this is Q and this is R. So if we will subtract Q, then it will be set of all irrational numbers. Okay, clear? So this is set of all irrationals. And now the last question of this exercise, that is question number 12. Justify your answer. State whether each of the following is true or false. So disjoint sets, that means we need to check the intersection is phi or not. That is A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equals to 3, 6. So here A intersection B is equal to 3. That is not equal to phi. That means not disjoint. So first one is false. Okay. Now the second A intersection B, common element is A, not equal to phi. So not disjoint. This is also false. Third one, that is A equals to 2, 6, 10, 14 and B is equal to 3, 7, 11, 15. Okay. So A intersection B, see there is no common elements in between these two. So phi, that means this is disjoint. So this third statement is true. Now we'll see the fourth one. Fourth one is saying 2, 6, 10. A is equal to 2, 6, 10 and B equal to 3, 7, 11. Again there is no common element. A intersection B is equal to phi here. So these also disjoint sets. Okay. Now we'll move to question. We'll write there this is true. So first and second one is false. Third and fourth one is true. Okay, clear? So I hope it is clear to everyone. So I hope it is clear to everyone. If anyone is having any questions, yeah, anything, you can message me over that Telegram, or else you can post it in comment section. Okay, clear? So thank you for watching this video, and we'll make the next chapter in the next video. Okay. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if possible please share as much as possible. Our live classes are going on for the class 11 and class 12 and JEE. So please do join if anyone is interested. Thank you.